After analyzing over 300 top performing TikTok Shop affiliate videos, I've identified 4 distinct video types that consistently generated the most amount of revenue. In this video, I will break down these 4 video styles and provide you with the exact examples. This way you can replicate what has proven to work, apply the same frameworks, and start earning on TikTok Shop as well. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first and the most common type of video is problem and solution videos. This is when you identify the viewer's problems and you provide your product as a solution. This type of video works extremely well on TikTok because people care most about solving their own problems. This type of video follows a simple 3-step framework. First, you use the problem as the hook. It could be an audible hook, a visual hook, or both. Then you talk about the product's benefits and how it could help the viewer solve the problem. And lastly, you provide a call to action in the end. Let's look at an example. So here we are looking at a product, which is a portable tire inflator. This is the TikTok video, and this video generated 3.62 million views and $162,000 of revenue in the last 30 days. So let's take a look at this video.
What is this lady doing on the side of the road? Ma'am, do you need some help?
Well, I have someone coming to help me in like 30 minutes.
Well, what's wrong?
I have a low tire and I can't make it to the gas station.
Oh, well, I have a portable tire inflator. I always keep one of these handy. If you want to use this, it'll take about 2 minutes.
Oh, I've seen these. How does it work?
Just pop that cap off.
Okay.
Here, I'll help you. Pop that cap off. Go ahead and screw that onto your tire.
Okay.
And this is a tire inflator for motorcycles, bicycles, cars, everything. Now, what you're going to do is select car mode. Okay. And then your PSI is probably 40. Yeah, you're a little low. And then press start. Yeah, and then it just shuts off when it's done.
Wow, that's really cool. Where did you get this from?
I got this one on the TikTok Shop. It's part of the Black Friday sale. I actually got 2 of them, so I keep one in every single vehicle because this time of year, with it being cold outside, tire pressure is going to go down, so you always want to make sure you have one of those handy.
I want to get one of these for my husband.
Yeah, if you want one, just click the link right here, but the sale ends tonight.
So this product pays at 8% in commission, so we could do the math. 162 times it by 8. So this TikTok video alone almost made $13,000 in take-home commission. Now let's look at another example. So this video is also based on problem and solution, but it is a simpler video and it is faceless.
Why I gotta make this so difficult? That's better. Oh dang, and it comes with 50 magnetic bits? And then the screwdriver just fits down in the bit case and everything magnetizes together for clean and easy organization. Oh, and they're on sale in the TikTok Shop right here.
So that was the video, only lasted 15 seconds. So the creator basically just showed the problem in the first 2 seconds of the video and then just presented the solution right after, and then just talked about the benefits about the product and then just gave a visual call to action at the end. So simple videos can work really well on TikTok. And as you can see here, this video generated 1.8 million views and sold more than $62,000 of product. And this product also offers 8% in commission. So if we take 62,900 times it by 8%, so that is a $5,000 in profit. The next most common type of video that does extremely well on TikTok is product demonstrations. This is when you just demonstrate how to use the product and show how effective it is. Let me show you an example. So here is a video that has gotten over 23 million views and generated over $353,000 of revenue.
Wait, no, babe, before we go, try this on. Okay, so I know how much you hate going to my family parties because everyone speaks Spanish, but watch this. ¿Recuerdas cuando te cagaste los pantalones?
Do you remember when you poop your pants? Hey, yo, babe, that's supposed to be a secret.
You understood me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, well, it's AI, so it can translate whatever language I'm speaking. So now you can understand my family.
Oh my God, that's wild.
¿Tienes hambre?
Yeah, I'm actually hungry. Oh my God, I can understand Spanish. Okay, hold up. So where did you get this? Because my brother actually needs one because he's going to Mexico this month.
Oh, I got it from a TikTok Shop, and it's only $11 because of this Black Friday sale.
No way, that's crazy.
But you should tell them to buy them right now because these are best sellers on TikTok Shop, and they've been selling out like crazy, babe.
Oh my God, yeah, I mean, this is wild.
And let me show you a second example of the product demonstration. So here we have the video.
The next time you talk about deep cleaning your house, make sure you get yourself one of these. This 7-in-1 mop steamer took my door from this to this. Magic, right? Yeah, I know, because this is disgusting. The last time I posted about this steam mop, y'all ate it up and almost sold it out, but they are fully back in stock and on a flash sale right now. So if you didn't get yours before, now is your time. The best part for me is I don't have to use any other cleaning products when I'm using this steamer. You just put water in it, plug it up, and go. As a busy mom, this steamer allows me to clean all over my house in the matter of minutes. And as my grandma liked to say, if you ain't cleaning with steam, are you really even cleaning? This mop steamer has easily become my biggest cleaning hack, and I'm going to link it below because we're switching our reset days back to easy mode.
So this video also did really well, over 2.15 million views, and generated over $151,000 in sales. So those are the product demonstration videos. You could either show your face in your video and talk about the product, or it could be a faceless video like the second example that we saw that could also work really well. So far we talked about the problem solution video and the product demonstration video, and here's one that combines the two. And it's extremely effective.
If you're looking for gloves that won't freeze your hands off while you're working outside in the cold, these might be for you. They're thermal heated and double insulated. They also have touch screens so you can use these with your phone at any time. And they have a very soft and warm inside. And they zip up to fit your hand. Right now these gloves are on sale for Black Friday. They're $7, but this sale is not gonna last. If you guys wanna grab some of these, I'll leave the link for them right here.
So he presented the problem in the beginning and offered the product as a solution, and throughout the video he just demonstrated how to use the product in a concise way, and here's the call to action at the end, urging people to buy. So a structure like this is really effective. So as you can see here, this video did over 26 million views and generated over $108,000 in revenue. The third type of video is product comparison videos. Product comparison videos do really well on TikTok Shop. It could either be a product comparison video to show the better product side by side, or it could simply be a direct price comparison video to show that a better price is available in the TikTok Shop. So for product comparison video, it's important to note to not show any trademarked logos because that would be against TikTok's policy. So you want to avoid showing any logos from any big brands. So let's go ahead to look at a product comparison video example. So here we have the product, and it is a cordless vacuum. In the past 30 days, it generated 10.47 million views and sold more than $204,000 of revenue.
Let's compare my $400 brand name vacuum to my $85 Homega vacuum. My brand name vacuum is an older model, but I bought it brand new 2 years ago. And apparently this is controversial, but I feel like it should last longer than 2 years at $400. At least we're finally getting an affordable option for a vacuum that performs just as well as these big brand name ones. So I'll link this one down below in this video for you guys.
So notice that this creator just compared the product side by side to show that the product that she's promoting is the better product. So notice that the brand name vacuum that she's comparing to, she's not showing any logos. And she also made the vacuum really colorful. So that's really smart, I think, in order to capture more attention. So next, let me show you a price comparison video. So for price comparison video, you simply show the same product that are being sold on TikTok Shop for a lesser price. This can be very effective because most people like a good deal. So let's look at an example.
No way, $17 for this setting spray, that's 1 ounce.
Do you guys have the big one of this?
Yes.
And that's $32.
Just to recap, this 3.4 ounce is going to be $32 in stores. That 1 ounce was $17, but on TikTok you can get their 7.3 jumbo limited release setting spray for $40. It's going to show $48, but you have a 15% off coupon you can apply. I will say they are a limited release, meaning whenever they sell out, they're not going to restock. So grab your jumbo size. Like, this price is crazy.
So sometimes brands offer special pricing exclusively for TikTok Shop. So if you're able to find those special pricing, they could be really effective. So let's take a look at the next one. So this product is Dude Wipes.
You want to win at Christmas this year? This is how you're going to do it.
This is a TikTok Shop exclusive, a Dude Wipes stool kit for your everyday situations. I cannot. Whose husband or dad would not love this? And it's so much cheaper than buying these in store. I mean, this stool kit is ginormous. It comes with 3 of their best sellers. You got Fragrance Free, Shea Butter Smooth, and Mint Chill. Mint Chill is my husband's favorite. You can only get it on TikTok. I have it in the orange cart down below.
So this is an example of the special pricing being offered by the brand. And a tool that I use to easily analyze hundreds of TikTok affiliate videos is called kalodata. It's great to use to find potential winning products or to get proven content ideas. You can see all the top products and all the top creators at a glance all in one place. And if you want to try it out risk-free with a free trial, I have listed a direct link down below in the description. So the last type of video is comment replies videos. These are some of the most viral content for many creators. You basically make videos based on people's comments to address their questions or concerns. Let me show you a couple examples. So here's the first example.
You have to spend so much in order to get free shipping.
For cakes? These? No. I just screenshotted this literally like 5 minutes ago. There is free shipping right here and they are on sale. Cake Spotty, I have the itty bitty in the honey color and I left them linked down below.
So this was the comment that someone had made in her previous video, and she basically just made this TikTok to address that comment. And here is the second example.
I've been getting these comments on my video about the mini projector, which has been selling out quite often, so I thought I'd show you guys another option from the same brand that is also a great buy. I've done my testing before, and this one is by the same MagCubic brand, and it's going to cost like $5 more, but it's actually slightly bigger and 30% brighter. But as long as you have a dark room, the brightness difference won't matter much in my opinion. Other than the size and brightness increase, it will have the same features such as pre-installed apps plus a full app store, adjustable screen size from 40 inches to 130 inches, Bluetooth compatibility for headphones or a speaker, and also an HDMI, aux, and USB outlet to connect anything you want directly. And yes, it is compatible with screen mirroring. One thing I keep forgetting to mention is that it does have a built-in speaker, which I personally use and I think it's good, but many people choose to connect an external speaker for the best sound quality, or even headphones. This one is also on sale right now, and it does have the same great reviews, so feel free to check out the product listing, and if you choose to buy, you'll have free shipping and free returns if you have any problems after receiving it.
So these 4 TikTok affiliate video styles are proven strategies for generating revenue on TikTok Shop. By understanding and implementing the same frameworks, you can also tap into what works and start earning consistent commissions on TikTok as well. If this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button and hope to see you in the next video.